In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if mail is delivered in Gmail. We'll walk through a couple of straightforward steps that will help you confirm whether your email has successfully made it to the recipient's inbox or not. Let's dive right in and keep it simple so you can follow along with ease. After hitting that send button, the first thing you should do is check your sent mail folder. This is a great place to start because once you send an email, it should automatically appear in your sent mail folder. Think of this as your first checkpoint. When an email shows up here, it confirms that it has been dispatched from your account. Now, it's important to remember that just because it's sent doesn't guarantee delivery to the recipient. However, this step does confirm that it's left your outbox, and that's half the battle. Moving on to the next crucial step, keeping an eye out for any bounce-back messages. Bounce-back messages are like your personal mail detectives letting you know if something went awry. If the email address you've used is invalid, maybe there's a typo or it's simply non-existent, Gmail will typically send a message back to you indicating that your email was not delivered successfully. These messages usually pop up in your inbox fairly quickly after your initial sending attempt. They'll often contain a reason for the delivery failure and might include some technical details, which can sometimes seem a bit overwhelming, but don't sweat it. The key here is understanding that a bounce back means the email didn't make it to the intended recipient, giving you a chance to double-check the email address and try again. With these two steps under your belt, you've got the essential tools you need to confirm your emails are being sent correctly. Checking the sent mail folder first gives you that immediate reassurance that your message has left the nest, while bounce-back notifications serve as a valuable alert system if something doesn't quite work out. If you don't see a bounce back, it's generally a good sign that your email has reached its destination. Remember, effective and reliable communication is crucial, and understanding these small Gmail tips can really enhance your email experience. Whether you're sending crucial business updates or a simple hello to a friend across the globe, these steps will keep you on top of your email game. So go ahead, give it a try on your next Gmail send-off, and stay confident that you're managing your messages like a pro. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy emailing.